Welcome back to the channel. We're Case and Mainder, and today we're continuing the restoration of our 1967 Mustang V8. In this episode, we're focusing on structural bodywork at the rear of the car. As you can see, we've now welded the rear panel assembly into position. Before welding, we verified all reference points using factory measurements, checking the quarter panels, trunk alignment, and tail light panel fitment to ensure the entire rear section is square. Once everything was clamped and aligned, we laid down a series of clean, controlled welds, making sure we avoided distortion by alternating sides and allowing the material to cool between passes. After the welding was completed, we moved on to surface preparation. All welds were ground flush to restore the original body contours and to ensure proper adhesion of coatings later on. When the metalwork was smooth and free of high spots or imperfections, we applied a two-component epoxy primer. This primer gives excellent corrosion resistance and seals the bare steel, which is crucial for long-term durability, especially on a classic body shell that's over 50 years old. Next, we welded the wheel housings to the trunk floor and inner panels. These joints are important structural points, so we checked the fitment carefully before committing to the welds. Once the wheel wells were fully tied into the trunk structure, they also received a coat of the same epoxy primer to protect all newly exposed metal. That wraps up this week's progress. Thanks for following along with the build. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to support the project, you can buy us a coffee through the link in the description. We'll see you in the next update.